The HR manager.
Hello everyone, I am Neha and I am acting as the trade union leader.
Okay. So, the very first thing that I would offer to you is we really appreciate the kind of work employees are doing. So the offer is that we can negotiate over the overtime payment. But in return, what we would require you all people to do is to follow the rules very strictly. Because in one way we are providing you for the overtime, we are opening the negotiations. So in return, what we require you is to adhere to the rules.
The
Strictly.
first thing which I would like to say is that first of all we are doing overtime for which we are not paid, and that is our authority. That is the
So we have
thing-
opened the negotiation.
Yes,
over that.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. We should get that. Secondly, disciplinary rules. You are talking about the manufacturing line, and in manufacturing line there are workers. If you are expecting that all are educated and all will be acting in a discipline, then that is a very wrong thing. Each and every individual is different, and I know them personally, and I know them. If I'll say them, you sit here, you sit there, then that is not gonna work. That will create a riffle. We need to be little flexible with the workers. So disciplinary rule, I don't think so that now whatever is the current scenario in the industry is wrong. I feel that whatever is going on is right, and if any issue comes, then I'll be there to stand beside you.
So those issues, whenever they crop up, they appear, we lose on to the productivity of our manufacturing units and all. So what we require you is to make them understand that adhering to the rules is the most required thing at our end. Then only we can we can negotiate over the overtime payment. Otherwise, we are really sorry that we won't be able to do that, because we don't want our motto is to reduce the unproductive time. So you people need to make them understand that following the rules is the most important thing. Then only we can negotiate over the overtime payment.
The thing is, whatever rules you have laid down right now are very strict, and my employees are actually giving their 60 to 80% to follow those rules, and that I cannot ask them more out of it.
It's not that all or mostly
If
all
you
the
want-
employees
if you
are
want-
undisciplinary, are not following the discipline. Whoever is not doing that, you need to train them accordingly and work over them. Then only we can negotiate over the overtime payment. Because we need something from your end also to
Because of 2-3 people, you cannot deny the fact that you have to give pay
It's
to
not
the
only
other
2-3
work.
people. It's not 2-3 people. It's like a handful, and because of them, we are losing our profits.
You
So,
don't worry about the profits and all, because
as an organization, we work only for profits. So
yes,
we need to
and
talk about
you
that
have
only.
showed the trust in me as a trade union leader, and I know how to handle my employees.
So if you are ready to assure that the rules will be followed, then we can talk about the overtime payment improvements. Then only you need to check out with your employees. Then only we can do that. And for that, before
What issues have you faced in the past of disciplinary, because of discipline, how your productivity has affected? I
Yes.
just want to know that.
Yes, whatever undisciplinary acts they indulge into, they don't focus on the work. The work is being hampered. Because of that, the output is being is not that much that we forecast or we promise to our
Look, the
clients.
indisciplinary issue, I don't think they get into a fight, because my union is quite united and they don't fight, they just support each other. In the way to support each other, they might go like, if they're not standing in line or something like that. I don't think that is affecting productivity at that level. If you will say them that you are supposed to be here, you are supposed to be there, and you need not to talk to each other even in the
Yes,
middle of the
you-
time, they'll
yeah.
get irritated. They are in such a pressure, they are handling the lame, means the very groundwork, and because of that groundwork only we are getting our products. So we need to keep them happy, and for that we need to have a little bit
The
of
thing
easiness
is
in the
there
living
is
world.
one kind of tuning that is not there in the employees, is that they are working for their own benefits. if they start working for the benefits of the organization, and that's the only way they can adhere to the rules. They will adhere to the rules. So if they are only working for their own benefits, they will indulge into these kind of issues and hamper the
I'm
productivity.
sorry, but the disciplinary things which you are expecting out of the workers are not should not be expected out of them. They are not at that level that they are educated and they should maintain that kind of discipline.
So I don't think then there should be any negotiations over the improvement of the pay package, just because if we see reflection of that improvement in the profits, then only we will be giving that. You need to come into our shoes also.
Look.
We are, as an organization, I'm working for the organization. I need to reflect my work in the profits. This is what the employee should also understand. So if they are indulging into the acts that are affecting that, I think there can't be any talk over the improvement of overtime pay.
The point is they are actually doing. If you won't come to an overtime pay, then they won't do overtime. Then that will obviously reduce your productivity, because these my workers have raised the issue that we are working so hard for the organization so that we can maximize the productivity. They don't know about the
The
profits.
overtime pay is there.
Hmm.
Any improvement in that, we are saying, would be done when when the employees adhere to the rules. This is the requirement. You are asking us to increase the overtime. So that can only be done if you promise and if you ask your employees to train them in
But
certain
your
issues.
rules are very strict, and I would like to suggest you, because I have worked in this organization for years, that if you will make them follow these rules, then obviously there will be a riffle. They'll
Okay.
get irritated, and
Okay.
because of that irritation, the productivity
Okay.
will obviously go
Okay,
down.
we can do one thing. The next meeting we can plan on what are the particular rules that are having a problem, that you're facing a problem
Fine,
with.
fine.
If those rules are really required to be adhered to,
Yes.
then I think we
Yes.
need to talk on that,
Yes.
and then only the overtime pay can be increased. So we need to first talk over the rules. The next meeting will be on the rules, and then only we can talk.
Why
about
are you
that.
mixing rules with the overtime pay?
Because
Overtime-
because when you provide something, you need you demand something in return. So this is what.
Just be genuine in your offerings, then I think everything will work out.
Okay, the being genuine can be talked about later, and we can talk on the list of rules also, and then we can negotiate over that first.
Okay,
and
fine. Then going to the canteen facilities, I would like to say that the canteen facilities are not quite good. They are humans, and they also deserve a particular kind of cleanliness.
Mhm.
Just because they are workers, it is not like the level of hygiene should not be maintained.
It is there. It
No,
is very
it is
much
not there. I have checked it myself. The utensils are not clean, and the food is cooked in a very
एक second,
raw way.
एक चीज पूछनी थी.
हो गया खत्म
नहीं बस एंड कर रहे हैं
क्या एंड में क्या करना है
ठीक है, तो
so okay
That
then
will
we
have
can negotiate over the
overtime pay, fine. And then you'll have to provide at least the Diwali bonus to my employees.
Diwali bonus is already there a little bit
No, there is no Diwali bonus.
there's no Diwali
No Diwali bonus. And at least you know the mentality of Indian workers.
Yeah.
On Diwali and Holi, they expect. I'm not talking about Holi. I'm just talking about Diwali, because Diwali
this is an MNC already we are providing a holiday on that day. That is a major loss that we are
Diwali
facing.
bonus.
That should be
This-
considered as the bonus
This
only.
will act as a motivation to our employees. You don't know how much they'll feel.
This
that
overtime payment will also be a motivation.
Just increase some percent of their pay. Just some percent of their pay. That will
Already
act as
the
a motivation.
overtime payment should be taken at that as that only. You right now said that the rules will be followed.
Diwali
Then
bonus should be provided to my colleagues. You are not even providing.
listen,
the
don't be
better
so
canteen.
greedy. Don't be so greedy. We should move in baby steps only. It cannot be. We cannot provide so many things in one go. So you
So
are,
at least improve the canteen facilities, because we
again you
deserve
are
that.
being greedy.
And
Let's listen.
Providing
listen.
a human the basic necessities.
I don't
else
agree
you
with
want-
you. I don't agree with you that the canteen is not good. We all of us, the whole of my department, we have our meals in the canteen.
Oh,
only.
please don't tell me
Yes,
that.
yes. You don't see us. I think you don't come to the canteen that often. So you will find us hanging around in the canteen.
If you
only.
also eat there, then I must tell you that hygiene is not good, and you are
No,
also
it is very
eating
much
bad
there.
things.
It is very much there. As the high official,
The
I
space-
final
the
conclusion.
space-
Did
the
you
space-
reach an
the-
agreement?
The
Yes.
space in which the employees are sit, the space is very less. You are talking about time. The space is very less. They waste time in waiting for other people to get out, and that is actually this will
So
create.
listen. The canteen time is the free time that they get is in batches only. So we know the capacity
The
of the
lunch
canteen.
time is common. The lunch time has to be
No,
common.
it is overlapped. It does not happen in one go only. It is half an hour overlapping that happens for some time only, and
I don't feel that you want to increase your productivity. You want to reduce the waiting time and all. And how are you not considering the canteen facilities actually can improve the time which the workers can give
Instead
to
of
the work?
instead of you're talking about the space in the canteen, instead of working on that, we can have batches. We can have a better timetable.
So you agreeing upon better canteen facilities because this
No,
is
no, no.
obviously
You are saying-
enhancing
no,
the
no.
canteen facilities.
No,
If
not
you-
the facilities. You're talking about the space in the canteen.
Huh,
So
so
what
that
we can
is-
do
that
is
is coming-
batches. We can have lunch hours in small batches. We can divide the whole employee base in
How
small
can
batches.
you actually divide the lunch timings when lunch has to be a common time?
This is not a rule.
You cannot-
This is not a rule.
This is not a
we,
rule.
We
but
can.
How
we
can you say that? Okay, my first baby will eat in the
Coming to
morning
the end
and the
of
other
the
baby will
discussion.
eat
Yes,
in the
yes.
lunch.
Coming to the end of the
Reach a
discussion.
final conclusion.
Yes, we did. The thing is that the trade union head is saying that he will make his employees follow the rules, and we are ready to improve the overtime payment for that, and that would be a very big boost to all the employees, and they will get very happy, and in turn the productivity will increase.
So the
Canteen and you
And plus-
distributed the timing, so canteen facilities are also improved in a way.
No, canteen facilities are not improved. We are having our employees go to the canteen in batches.
Then I don't agree with it because no batch should be there.
According to you, did you reach an agreement
On one point only.
on?
On overtime pay because that is very much important.
Yeah, but you will not be following the disciplinary rules. It's just overtime pay, or you agree to the disciplinary rules too.
I'll agree to the disciplinary rules.
So you reach an agreement where you will follow the disciplinary rules, and in return for that, you will give them.
Overtime pay.
Thank you.